Todd the Dirt Man, and welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. Griddle edition style. Yes, we're using the Camp Chef griddle, and we're doing one of my all-time favorite subs ever. I'm not from Philly, but man, I love what they do over there. It's called Dirty Philly Cheesesteak, and let's get started. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put on some bacon here.
Nothing better than making bacon on the griddle.
All right, I'm gonna use this beautiful bacon press right on top.
Oh yeah, look at that. Got that on Amazon.
Okay, we got the ribeye steak here. I found this in the grocery store already shredded, which is really nice. But you can get ribeye, cut it yourself. You can use whatever you want to use. We also got some white onions. You can see how I cut these nice and thin, like right here. And then we're gonna use the two dirts here. We're gonna use the original dirt on the dirty onions that we've shown before. All right, and we're gonna use the Salty Sailor on the ribeye. I'm telling you right now, Salty Sailor on any kind of steak is absolutely fantastic. All right, now we're gonna just take off the bacon. Now we're gonna put some butter in here.
Glaze this a little bit.
All right, now we're gonna put the dirty onions in there. We're gonna mix that up really well. All right, now we're gonna put some original dirt on here. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. And then we're gonna mix that up. That was about, tablespoon and a half, 2 tablespoons. So by the way, I did mention we have this on medium heat at the moment. Oh yeah, baby. Dirty onions, baby. All right, now we're gonna move these onions. These are pretty much ready. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna put the Salty Sailor on there. So on the onions, I've turned that heat completely off right now. That is on low. All right, now we're gonna put a little bit more Salty Sailor. Okay, so now it's almost completely cooked here. Now we're gonna mix the onions all inside here. I'm going to move this to low and mix this up really nice. All right, Josh, you like your rolls toasted?
Oh yeah.
All right, so we're going to put 2 of these hoagie rolls right on top. Get that toasted real quick. All right, now we're going to add the cheese. There we go, got the cheese nice and melted. There's the bun. Let's put a little bit more cheese on here. Got some mayo, which I forgot to do. Add the bacon. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. All right, let's check it out. Ready? Oh yeah, look how beautiful that is. All right, now we're gonna try this bad boy. Oh my God. This is absolutely fantastic. Salty sailor and the onions, and the bacon, this is so good. You're gonna love this. It's really simple and easy to make. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. Subscribe, do all that stuff. Tell all your friends about the videos. Check us out on toddsdirt.com for more recipes and ideas. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty. Just try that, take a bite of that and see what you think.
Oh, wow.
Is that good or is that good?
That's my favorite thing that you've made.
Uh-oh, that's his favorite thing. Check that out.